Welcome back to Near Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Akko ASA Midnight keycaps. We usually don't do keycap reviews because they would all be pretty much the same thing, but this is an exception because Akko sent these over to take a look at. So first, let's get these out of the box. Opening up the outside packaging, there are two boxes on the inside. The smaller one on the top contains the colored novelties in a plastic sheath, and the bottom box contains the plastic casing for the keycap set. So if you've seen our Akko linear comparison or any video about Akko products, you already know that they don't skimp on packaging quality, and their keycaps are no different. Opening this case, we can see all the keycaps are actually secured into the case. Considering this is almost 3 times cheaper than an average GMK set, and GMK sets still come in this flimsy cardboard thing, is pretty laughable. Also neat is this included pink wire keycap puller. On to some basic specs. These are PBT double shot and have a good texture and thickness. The legends are also very high quality. There doesn't seem to be any spacebar warp, which is great. So this is Akko's own keycap profile, ASA, which is like a rounder and taller version of Cherry, following the same basic angles. Let's take a listen to what these would sound like put up against Cherry PBT and Cherry ABS. So the Alphas are pretty much in between PBT and ABS, and they seem to have that signature glassy SA spacebar sound, which I'm not sure I like. I would probably put some foam in the spacebar to help mitigate this, because it could get a little annoying if you're daily driving it. Otherwise, I quite like the sound. In terms of typing comfort, I think it's pretty good. It's not nearly as tall or angled as SA, so Cherry profile users will feel fairly comfortable driving this profile. And like most things Akko, I believe the quality for the price is excellent. They have quite a few different colorways with these same specs, including Muted, 9009, and Bliss. I personally opted for the Midnight kit because colorway clones are a super slippery slope and I don't support them, but these are open for you if you'd like to try. Overall, these are a great, relatively cheap, and easily accessible keycap option for a pretty unique profile and quite a bit of colorways. I can see this as a great option for budget boards and deep sound profiles. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this episode of Near Lucid. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up. If you have feedback or questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd be more than happy to answer. Also, these videos take lots of work, and by subscribing, you're letting us know that you want us to keep making them. And if you find my voice annoying, you can also unsubscribe. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys later.